Hello, welcome to NAPCO Video Tech Tips. This is Tom. Today I'm going to be going over registering a video doorbell. Okay, iBridgeVideo doorbell. A couple of things I want to go over first is the packaging. Alright, so this is the box that you're going to be getting the doorbell in. Now on the side of that box is going to be a sticker. Now within that sticker you're going to be seeing a MAC address. This is what you're going to register the unit with. Right below there, you're going to see an SN code. This is what you're going to learn the unit into the iBridgeVideo app with. So registration is with the MAC address, and then learning it into the app is the SN number. And also, when you're learning it in, you can either manually put in the SN number or you can scan the unit, and this is the scan code right here. Now the iBridgeVideo app is right here, and what you're going to do is you have to learn this unit through the iBridgeVideo app on the client's phone. When you register the app, and when you register the iBridgeVideo doorbell, your password is going to be the first 3 characters of how you registered the client and the last 4 digits of their phone number, and then the password is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you log into here after you registered it, once you log in, you're going to see a plus sign, and at that point you just click on the plus sign and on the client's phone, and you just follow the steps in the documentation that comes with the iBridgeVideo doorbell. So registering the unit, we're going to go into the ComNet. Okay, so you're going to go into Add Device. You're going to go into Service Plans. You're going to go into the Video Service Plans. So you're going to put the unit ID in, which is 9C. And then you're going to click on Go. You're going to go into the iBridgeVideo remote service. Do not select the IC Video remote service. Click for details. You're going to add that. Then you're going to go into New. Put your subscriber information in. And add subscriber. You're going to go to Add to Cart. and then process order. Once you process the order, then you can go back to my subscribers, and you're going to see that the iBridgeVideo remote services is in there. And that's about it. Very important. Just make sure you're doing this on the client's phone when you download the app. Either you go to the Apple Store or you go to Play Store, Google. Just type in iBridgeVideo, NAPCO iBridgeVideo, and you'll be able to load on the app. And that's about it. Thanks for visiting NAPCO Security Tech Tips.